Alright, let's talk. This is going to be a punny video. So today we're going to talk about stalks in your Model 3 or Model Y. You can see right here there are a couple of naked stalks, and we have options for you. So essentially the options are carbon fiber. They come in matte or gloss, and we have carbon fiber effect or real carbon fiber. So I'm going to show you each of the different options just so you can make a choice. The carbon fiber effect are obviously cheaper. They're actually a clamshell design as well, so they wrap around the whole stalk, whereas the real carbon fiber ones clip onto the stalks and kind of cover the painted area and the area with the print on them. I'm going to show you that first. These are the Satin Carbon Fiber. They feel great, you can see, and the way these fit on is actually super easy. They just literally just snap on like that, and that's it. There's no glue, there's no adhesive. They're very quick to apply. Do that one as well. There we go. So when you've got them on there, just make sure they're positioned properly. If you need to just move them away from the end, that's fine. But that's it. So glue-free, 10-second installation. The one thing I would mention, on the bottom side where kind of this wraps around to clip onto the stalks, you do have this little edge that you can feel. It doesn't bother me at all if you're a fiddler like I am when you're driving along. It's just something to fiddle with. But you know, just be wary, because we don't have any adhesive for these. That's how they work. They clip around the frame. What I'm going to do is take off one of these real quick. So just snap on and snap off, of course. And I'm going to find the gloss version, just so you can see the difference. Same thing, just going to snap this on, like so. So I hope you can see that on the camera. So the gloss is a real deep gloss. You really see the texture of the carbon fiber weave underneath. And then on this side we have the matte one. So both great options, just completely depends on your own preference. Take these off. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the carbon fiber effect ones. We're going to start with the satin or matte finish. So these are a little different. These do have the 3M tape on the back, and these fit like a clamshell around the stalk, so hopefully I'm not all arms and fingers. And we want to make sure that this bottom ridge is tucked in so that the pattern continuity is there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and install this one so you can see how it looks. Bear with me while I peel off the sticky. Alright, so this one just sticks over the top like this. Be sure to get this edge, hope you can see that on the camera. So kind of start here, and then we're just going to lay it down like so. And of course you can stop there if you want, but we're going to put the other layer on underneath that goes like this. We want to tuck that up. So again, bear with me while I remove the sticky protection layer. Okay, so getting this, and then same thing really. We want to start this at this end. And we're focusing on the seam. We want to make sure that it's all tucked in nicely, like so. And there you go. That's a full wrap carbon fiber effect stalk cover for your Model 3 or Model Y. On the other side, we are going to do the gloss version, so you can see that. It's like that, and then I knew I picked the wrong one. Sod's law. I did this one. And that sits up under like that. So I'm going to go ahead and install these real quick. We'll start with the top again. Alright, and then same thing as the other side. So I just want to start this end. Obviously make sure the button's not emptied at the end, and then just apply a bit of pressure wherever the sticky stuff was. And then we're going to grab this bottom piece. Oops, don't want to peel it all off, just want to peel off the protection layer. Helps to have fingernails and little fingers. I have fingernails. Okay, and then get it right way around. So same thing, we want to focus on this seam at the front because that's what you're going to see every day. And just get it nicely lined up. And then kind of just grip it. Apply a bit of pressure, make sure it takes. And there you have it. So you have the satin or matte version on the left, and then you have the high gloss version on the right. So just a quick recap, these are the ABS versions. They're more cost effective. And they come as a two-piece clamshell. This bottom piece is optional. And then the carbon fiber ones, which you saw at the beginning, these are a little more expensive, and they just clip onto the top, so you don't have any adhesive for these ones. Those are your choices. Thanks for watching.